What if you need a stopwatch? Well, your microbit can become a stopwatch. It has something, and I'll just show it to you. It has something on the ... mores called running time, and it's measured in milliseconds or microseconds. And from the moment that the chip starts, the moment that it's switched on, keeps track of how many milliseconds have gone by. So you can use that to create a stopwatch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use on button A pressed, like with your stopwatch, you press the button when you want to get the time. So from the moment the stopwatch is switched on, what happens is it starts recording that running time. And I've created a variable called running time. I clicked on make a variable and chose running time. And when button A is pressed, I'm going to set that running time to, because it's in milliseconds, there are 1,000 milliseconds in a second, I want it to display seconds that have passed rather than in milliseconds. So I need to divide that by 1,000 in a second, so divide by 1,000. So I need to go down to maths and use my divide, and then I can go to the input and collect those milliseconds. I always get that wrong. And divide it by 1,000. And then I need to show that number. So I go show number, and it's that running time that I want to show. So I go to my variables, and I'm showing that running time. So I've created a variable. It takes the running time and divides it by 1,000, and then it displays that number when I press button A. Remember that the time starts from when the chip is plugged in. So 1 second, 2 second, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, about 5, I press A, 5.0. Now it continues running, so you can use it for laps as well. And here it comes again. I press A, and this is 15 point something. Seems to work. Nice little program.